Hello acrobats and democrats. This is day 20 of my trading journey, and before we begin I highly recommend you to watch my previous video, because in that video I described my strategy and plans for the future. For those who already seen it, this is day 20, this is the continuation of the series as usual, the default stuff. The video will go like normally. I will talk about the numbers of today, then the lessons I learned, and draw some conclusions in the end, so enjoy. Yeah, as I said, we start with the numbers. Today I took 52 trades with a 44.23 win rate, which is a little low, but I will explain it later, right? And today's total profit is $1,067 after fees. Mind you, I will repeat for those who didn't hear, I trade on a demo account. Today's average winning trade is $146, and today's average losing trade is $74, which means I almost hit my desired 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Moving on. The reason why my win rate is so low is because of this equity curve. As you can see here, I traded a little bit in the pre-market hours, and as well, I hope you have eyes. You can see that the pre-market trading has been horrible. Since market open, my equity curve has been on a steady rise, if you can say that, right? So if we remove the pre-market hours, my win rate would probably be fuck the guessing. I'm not gonna say probably. If we remove the pre-market hours, my win rate is 59.26%, and I took 27 trades during the market hours, the total to $1,529 of profit, right? So this is the equity curve if we remove the pre-market hours. Enjoy this. These are the overall stats. You can pause and read. The only thing I will note here that my risk to reward ratio is far different, because in the pre-market my average loss was, very low because the price doesn't move as much, and that dragged the risk to reward ratio up in my favor. But in reality, as you can see, it's less than 2. So yeah, do with that as you will. So let's talk about the mistakes and lessons I learned today, right? Better late than never. I often miss out on short scalps, especially if I see a minor pullback. Sometimes I zone out, and then there's a minor pullback happening, and by my strategy, deviation from the trend strategy that I described at day 19, I am supposed to take a trade, but because, I'm looking at the resistance level, I'm drawing some bullshit there, I'm looking at the chart, and I'm not exactly looking at the price as good, I miss a bunch of trades, right? Here as well is a really good example. You see a range, it breaks out of a range and a good momentum, and I don't take a trade. Why? I don't know why. I shouldn't have taken a trade there, but yeah, it is what it is. Some of the other things are I need to start journaling, right? The importance of journaling, I mean, it's insanely huge, right? This is my journal, but now that I don't take 500 trades per day or something, yeah, whatever. If you know, you know, right? Now that I don't take 500 trades per day, journaling is way easier, so I can easily journal 25 trades and review them later, right? I can also review my VODs. I need to start doing that, as well as, the basic stuff like improving on my fundamentals and learning how some basic indicators work. Because, learning the RSI and supply and demand and, in general, trading concepts helps me broaden my view a lot. So one day I was explaining why fair value gaps work to one of the people in my Discord server, and not because it's a 3 candlestick pattern, there's a different explanation. Again, join the server if you want to know. Ha ha ha, shameless plug. But I was explaining it to him, and I was like, oh wow, that is a really good explanation. This actually helps me explain a lot of things. I could then spot, these types of imbalances in regular price where there is no fair value gap seemingly, right? Or something like that. And this was really interesting because this changed my view on trading in general, and just learning or explaining basic fundamentals can really explain your, not explain, but can really expand your understanding of the topics you're talking about. So yeah, in conclusion, what do you expect for tomorrow, right? For tomorrow, I'm not trading in the, in the pre-market session or post-market for that matter. Tomorrow I'm only trading during market hours, from market open to probably until 11:30 or 12. I'm not gonna force it too much. This way I can stay alert and try to not miss out on any trades, which I feel I did a lot of times today, right? And third thing is, thanks for watching. I mean, what am I going to say, right? Expanding on fundamentals, of course, right? Expanding on fundamentals, learning basic concepts. It never hurts, right? Even though I hate learning ICT concepts and shit, sometimes there is some truth to them, which I can't really deny because, a lot of people use them, and it works for a lot of people, right? those people don't know why it works, but it works and there is reasoning behind it. Once you find out that reason, ICT concepts don't seem that bad to you anymore, right? But we'll leave that at that for now. I'm planning to make a video about exposing or showing the true reasons why ICT concepts works in the future, right? So, thanks everybody for watching. I hope you're having a really, really nice, beginning of the week. Not everybody may be as successful as me, of course, but hey, we all start somewhere, right? Watch my previous videos. Again, shameless plug. Subscribe to my Discord server. Leave comments, likes, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.